Hello guys, so welcome back again to my channel and you're watching the Bulak. So if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para magiging updated ka sa mga coming videos natin in the future. And please don't forget to like and share if you like my video. So, and to this video guys, magluluto po tayo ng chicken kabsa. This is an Arabic dish. This is a famous food of Arab people. So, if you are here in Middle East, I'm sure you nakakain ka na yan. So, masarap yan ang kabsa guys. And it's full of herbs. So, marami yung mga herbs, marami yung mga sangkap. But, in this recipe guys, this is just only a simple recipe na ituturo ko sa inyo. But I'm sure guys, it's really delicious. And I'm sure that you will love it. So, please stay tuned. Kasi iba yung rice dito. Hindi kagaya sa atin sa Pinas guys, na pag ibabad mo na yung rice natin, masisira. Ito kailangan mo ito ibabad.
You'll be alright, 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 oh, okay, 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 I'll be okay, alright,
Salt and then a little bit garlic and then yung tinatawag nila na buharat abyal guys, yung white powder na spices. So minimix ko siya and then ganyan siya. So medyo siya maanghang konti.
alright, 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 okay, 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 alright.
So, ayan guys. So, thank you so much for watching guys. So, ilalagay ko sa description yung sangkap guys, yung mga ingredients para po pag gusto ninyo pong magluto at gusto po ninyong gayahin kung ano yung niluluto ko. It's just only very simple guys. So, ilalagay ko sa description. So, pakiclick na lang sa description. Pakibasa na lang sa description below guys. So, thank you so much for watching guys. I really appreciate it. And thank you. And don't forget guys, remember to subscribe for more videos para happy lang tayo. Thank you. May God bless us all. Bye-bye.